Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to go over our vocabulary still for 9 and 10. What is 9? Show me 9. Good. Show me 10. Good. And we will cover standards, counting cardinality for kinder 1 through 5, and operational algebraic thinking number 1 for kinder standards. Remember, you guys are going to kindergarten next year, so you guys will be ready and you guys will already have some kinder knowledge. Shh, don't tell anyone you guys are doing kinder work, okay? All right, here we go. Objective. Today we will have our objective on the board. I can read and write numbers 1 through 10. So I want you guys to master 1 through 10, okay? We will read a book called The 10 Black Dots. Okay, 10 black dots. And I want to remind you guys about a little saying I like to say when we do 9s and 10s. So when we do 9s and 10s, I want you guys to focus. And I've been telling you guys how to draw a number 9 for a couple days now. So we're going to go ahead and practice that since that's our number that we're doing today. So it's circle and a line. That's how we make a 9, right? Little circle and a line. That's how we make a 9. Everyone together. Little circle and a line. That's how we make a 9. Good. Now, because that's what we're going to focus on, I want you guys to remember how to draw the number 9. Little circle and a line. That's how we make a 9. Good. And then also, I want you guys to remember the number 10. The number 10, I'm going to draw it right over here, okay? Number 10 is a hero. First a 1 and then a 0. Everyone say, number 10 is a hero. First a 1 and then a 0. Together. Number 10 is a hero. First a 1, then a 0. Good job. So I want you guys to remember that as we read the following book. Okay, I will stop during the book, and throughout the book, we will be able to use our make 10 dots. So we'll have a sheet that looks just like this, and later on, we'll do our own right over here. Okay, so you can use 10 items. So if you have any items around the house, like blocks, crayons, paper clips, anything that you might have, like small little things, pennies, even glue sticks, anything that you can find, just 10 items, okay? Find 10 items and kind of gather them together, okay? So I'll give you guys a few minutes. Go ahead and pause, and go ahead and get 10 items. It could be markers, crayons, anything that you have, just 10 items. All right, so we made a collection of 10. Keep that on the side. Make a collection of 10 and keep it on the side. 1 and 0, okay, 10, okay? The number 10 is a hero, don't forget. Make a 1, then a 0, okay? So 10 items. Okay, awesome. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to read the story, and it's really, really fun, so I think you guys will definitely like the story for the 10 black dots. All right, and I'm going to stand up so that you guys can see it all with me. Here we go. All right.
10 Black Dots by Donald Cruz.
So it's called 10 Black Dots, and it's by Donald Cruz. Okay. What can you do? Whoops. Here we go. What can you do with 10 black dots? 1 dot can make a sun or a moon when the day is done. 2 dots can make the eyes of a fox, or the eyes of keys that open locks. 3 dots can make a snowman face, or beads for stringing on a lace. 4 dots can make seeds from which flowers grow, or the knobs on a radio. 5 dots can make buttons on a coat, or the portholes of a boat. 6 dots can make marbles that you hold. Half are new, the rest are old. 7 dots can make the spots on a snake. or stones turned up by a garden rake. 8 dots can make the wheels of a train carrying freight through sun and rain. 9 dots can make toy soldiers standing in rank, or the pennies in your piggy bank. 10 dots can make balloons stuck in a tree. Shake the branch and set them free. Count them. Are there really 10? Now we can begin again, counting dots from 1 to 10. And then here are all our dots, all the way to 10. The end. All right, boys and girls. So I really like this story because it helps us come up, oh, I sound on something. It helps us come up with different things that we can do to make 10. So I wanted you guys to grab your little bag of 10, or just get 10 items together. Okay, good. Everyone have one? Good. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to make sure that we're experts at counting all the way to 10. So I want you guys to make sure that you remember we are focusing on 9 and 10. A little circle and a 9, that makes number 9, right? 10 is a hero, 1, then a 0. Good. Very good. All right, so what we're going to do is I want you guys to focus on your own 10 black dots. So everyone should have a 10 black dots. Okay, does everyone have it? Raise your hand if you have it. All right, good. So I want you guys to look at the poem with me, or the story that we've read, and I'm going to turn to, where is it? Here we go. Oh, it just disappeared, boys and girls. Let me fix it really quick. Here we go. All right, so on this page, we saw that there was a snake with 7 dots. So I want you guys to think about the 7. Can the 7 make a snake? Good. So on your dots, I want you guys to write 7 dots can make a good, a snake. So I want you guys to draw a snake. Now I want you guys to draw the little dots inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. They have to make sure you fit in them inside of the snake, okay? 7 dots can make a snake. Now, boys and girls, when you guys do this, now I want you to grab your little 7 items that you found, whatever 7 items they are, and I want you guys to put them together. So if Misty had 7 pennies, she would grab her pennies and she would put them like this to create a snake. So I'm going to make kind of like a swirl, right, to make a snake. So 7 can make a snake. Good job. Now I want you guys to think about the next one. Okay, the next one. Okay. 8 dots can make a, yes, the wheels on the choo-choo train, right? So how many was it? 8. So let's count all the way to 8. So let's write 8. Circle and a circle make a 8. Dots can make a choo-choo train. So I want you guys to draw your 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on top of that, what are you going to draw? Good. A choo-choo train. Okay. And make sure you draw the back carriage. You want to make sure you have all of that there, okay? There goes our choo-choo train. Everyone say chicka, 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 Choo Choo. There we go. Okay. All right. So for our next one. Uh-oh. All right. For the next one, we have 9 dots can make toy soldiers. Ooh, 9 dots. So let's make sure we draw our number 9. 9. Everyone draw number 9. Remember, a little circle and a line, that makes number 9. Good. They can make toy soldiers. So I want you guys to draw 10 heads of the soldiers. 9 heads. Ready? 1. The circles are going to be the heads, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good. Now draw their little bodies. Okay? Draw their little bodies. Could be stick figures. Miss D drew stick figure soldiers. Does that work? Yeah, of course. 9 dots can make a toy soldier. 9 toy soldiers. So I drew 9 toy soldiers. Now remember, guys, a little circle and a line, that makes number 9. Good job. So the next and the last one that we're going to do with Miss D. The next one you're going to do all on your own. So this one's just with Miss D. Okay. The next one is okay. 10 black dots can make balloons stuck in a tree. 10 balloons. All right, here we go. Remember, 10 is a hero. 1, then a 0. 10 is a hero. 1 and then a 0. Good. So 1 and 0. Dots can make a balloon. So how many balloons do we make? Good. 10. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Miss D drew 10 balloons because 10 dots can make 10 balloons, right? Good. Very good, boys and girls. Wow, you guys did some awesome drawings and some awesome dots. Did you guys know that dots and pictures can help us make numbers? Yeah, we've been learning about this strategy, so you guys are experts at this. You guys are going to be ready for the kindergarten so soon. Yay! All right, guys, throw some glitter. Ready? Here we go. Throw some glitter. Throw some glitter. Make it rain. You guys are such good drawers and such good number makers. Good job. All right, here we go. We're going to move this to the side. And now you guys are going to create your own. Here we go. We're going to create our own. So I want you guys to think. Put your thinking caps on. Everyone, put your thinking cap on. My thinking cap on is telling me that I'm going to do my own. Now, you have your own right there in front of you. You should have 10 items in front of you. I want you to pick how many items you're going to put on your mat. Pretend this is a mat, right? So I want you guys to put 10 items on there, okay? Now, I want you to create some type of shape with it, anything you want, and I want you to draw 10, 1 and a 0. Remember, 10 is a hero, 1 and a 0, okay? 10 dots can make what can it make? You're going to be my illustrator. So after you create that object, I want you guys to draw it and tell me what it can make, okay? You don't have to write what it can make, but you have to draw it, okay? So for example, 10 dots can make Miss D wants to make the shape of an apple. So she's going to make her 10 items, create the shape of an apple. Remember, this is Miss D's. I want you to create your own. Be original. Think about something. Anything you want. It could be a heart, a butterfly, an apple, a banana, anything you want. Okay? 10 dots can make an apple. So then inside of my apple, I should fit all of my 10 things, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inside of my apple, I have 10 items or 10 dots because Miss D drew dots. She can't put them on here because she doesn't have a table. It's a board. 10 dots can make a, and then I'm going to write the word apple. But you can also, because you are TK, you can also just draw the picture for apple like we did over here. Okay? All right. I want you guys to focus on that. Remember, 9 and 10. I want you guys to be able to read all the way up to number 10. So we're going to practice it together on our number line before I let you guys go. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, boys and girls. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and continue with our assignment. When you guys are done with the 10 black dots, I want you guys to focus on 3 pages that you guys will have for assignment. Remember, 3.7, today is 3.7. So parents, make sure we have all 3.7s. We have our practice of our number line. So you should be able to fill in the blanks because we are experts and we know how to count from 1 all the way to 10, 10 all the way backwards. So we should be able to fill this chart in perfectly. Then I want you guys to focus on writing the numbers 6 through 10 and 0 through 5. I want you guys to practice because it takes a lot of practice to learn how to write the numbers all the way to 10. Then on 3.7 here you have a sheet, looks just like this. It looks like 10 frames. Everyone say 10 frames. Good. We've practiced this a lot, so I want you guys to practice the 10 frames. Count how many are in your 10 frames and write them on the line. Make sure you use that broken line. There is a broken line. Make sure you use a broken line, okay? All right, boys and girls, and last but not least, you have a 10-frame writing board. Ooh. So what you're going to do here is you are going to go ahead and write the numbers 1 through 10. 2, 3, 4, and watch how Miss D is using her her numbers in the broken lines. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so I'm going to write my 10 frame all the way to 10 because my 10 frame has how many boxes? 10. Very good. In your boxes, you will fill in how many you wrote. So for 1, you're going to do 1. For 2, how many should you draw in there? 2. Now, Miss D, do I have to draw circles or can I draw hearts or can I draw butterflies? Yeah. Can I draw squares? Yeah. 3, let's draw squares for 3. 3 squares. 4, let's do hearts. 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, let's draw X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. 6, let's draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, let's draw triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 8, let's draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, let's draw happy faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And then you guys use your imagination for the 10. Anything you want to do. Remember, you can draw absolutely anything because pictures can create numbers. Just like our black 10 dots can create any type of picture. And the most exciting thing is that you guys can do any shape you want. Okay? When you guys are done, I want you guys to finish all your worksheets for 3.7. Tell mommy I need 3.7. When you are done, take a picture and send it to me on Seesaw. Thank you, boys and girls. I will see you on Hangout.